James with Creative Audio. Today we're going to do an overview on the OD M6 LED marine speakers from JL Audio. OD, what does that mean when we're looking at the OD M6 speakers? The OD is going to denote that this is going to be an OEM speaker. OEM, if you're not familiar, means original equipment manufacturer. So if you bought a premium boat that came with a premium system from JL Audio, that's exactly what this would be when it was installed. As these boat builders are buying the speakers and speccing out with the high performance JL Audio speakers, they don't need the retail box. A lot of times they don't even need a full pair. That's where something like this comes into play. So we have these now in stock. This is going to be a nice option if you're looking to either replace your factory premium system that came with the JL Audio speakers, or if you're looking to upgrade or do a full new system and take advantage of the cost savings of the OD series. So when you look at this, we've got three different sizes. We've got the 6.5, the 7.7, and the 8.8. These do ship and sell as singles, but we also have them curated in bundles. So they do ship in the bulk packaging, as you can see here, in the various sizes. One thing to take away from this is that with this being an OEM speaker, it has the factory connector here that's going to allow you to retain your factory connection in your boat if it did use this style connector. If you're doing a custom install, again, you can just simply remove this plug and you have your standard red, green, blue, and black for your LED and your positive and negative for your speaker connections. With this being the M6, as we all know, this is going to be the classic style grille. This is LED, so you can see the LED back behind here. This shines through the translucent cone, so it gives it great color, very vivid. It's bright, but it's also not going to be super spotty like some of the other speakers that we've seen on the market. The performance of the speaker is the M6 that we're all used to. So this is going to be JL's flagship series speaker. So sound quality, great performance, rugged fit and finish, but also on this is going to have the classic grille that's going to protect the cone itself, and then the larger tweeter on the M6 versus the M3. So this is going to be a great option, again, if you're replacing something you already had, if you're replacing a factory M6 speaker that was already installed, or if you're doing a fresh new install and want to take advantage and be able to install the JL Audio premium speakers. As always, stay tuned as we bring you innovative products to fit your lifestyle.